Navi Nation, it's your boy Mo. I'm back with another exciting video. We got kind of a special one for you guys today. The boys and I got our first brand deal. Our promo package is in the driveway. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright guys, so before we can get to unboxing the new parts we just got, I am waiting for Billy and Jalen because they have some parts in there too. We will have a little bit of background noise in this episode today. There's some construction going on over there. And then we have an episode of Bosch Legacy that's filming on the block right now. So the block is hot, neighborhood is popping, a lot going on. But we're gonna make sure to get you this unboxing, alright? So once Billy and Jalen get here, we'll go ahead and fire it up. So Billy and Jalen are currently on the way. While they get here, I'm gonna go ahead and open the box, start getting some parts out, showing you guys what we got. I got my helper Hans perched up over there. He's more of an observer for the day. But let's go ahead and crack this open. Let's get to it. Some of the film crew saying hi to Hans. This thing is packed, dude. So much in here. Oh. Got a little poster, some swag action. Okay, that's going up in the garage, you know what I'm saying? Hey, here's Jalen. Smoking in the house. Yes, sir. Let's get it, bro. That shit it'd be over with. That shit went crazy. Oh my god, what's good, bro? Bike looking clean.
I got on the phone.
Yeah, get him.
You didn't open any of it?
So you coming or what?
Nah,
We've been waiting for you, bro.
I ain't opening it. Yeah, we didn't open it. It's all individually packed, but I mean, I'm gonna start opening. We gonna start opening stuff right now.
Yeah, tell him.
What's wrong with that man?
Come through, let's go. Your stuff's at the bottom, we'll save it for last.
Said my stuff's at the bottom.
Oh man.
You know I am the fastest Navi rider in the world.
Hey, chat, clip that.
This got me dead right now, bro. What's even happening with this man?
All right, bro, we'll see you when we see you. Let's go, get over here.
Yeah, Glizzy Goblin.
27 minutes.
Let's see what they got up in here.
The first bag that we saw is a bunch of OEM Honda tools. That's a big come up.
Yeah, I think OEM parts, so that always make it a little bit better. I will say that the first time I was doing my color swap, I dropped this little clip in here. When I first bought my Navi, it was lime green. And then I swapped it over to red. And while I was doing that, my screwdriver broke. So, yeah, I got a new one now. Thank you so much, Mr. Reckless. What else you got in there?
All right, so the next part we're about to pull out is going straight onto Jalen's bike.
How you know?
The double LED light bars.
See, this is what I've been hitting them up for. I said, look, I only getting two parts. This right here, you know, I've been hitting them up. I'm like, man, I need that light bar.
The hardware and everything for it too.
Okay, bet. It's a bracket.
Got the bracket, okay.
Right?
Yeah, that's the bracket for it.
Okay.
And then I think the LEDs are in there and all the hardware and everything.
Oh, I see. Okay, so hardware plus two LED bars.
And
two times
M5.
What is that?
The bolts.
Oh, okay, M5 bolts. Okay, you the man. Reckless Custom. Hey, man, send me one of these stickers so I can put, you know, I like this sticker a lot. So I say send a sticker too, you know, so we can let people know. Because when we put this stuff on there, ooh, snap. Hold on. Oh, that's crispy.
Hey.
That's crispy.
That's clean.
Now let me tell you, very scared about these type of mods because I'm not an electrician, you know? Oh, I get it. So it's gonna be two of these the same.
Yeah, double bars.
Double bars. Ooh. Yo. Oh, that's about to go hard.
Yeah, that's gonna be bright.
Let me see how it's gonna look by the bike. Let me see. I'm wondering, where is this supposed to go?
It replaces this.
Oh, I see. Damn. gonna have to figure out where I can put my Navi plate at. And then there's only, I guess I'm gonna have to figure out a lot then. Oh no, I'm screwing from the sides maybe, like this.
Yeah, I think this will attach.
Yeah, we gotta look at the picture. Yeah,
This will attach here like that.
probably. Yeah.
And then you'll attach
sides.
the sides. Yeah, exactly like that.
I'm wondering where are these gonna go to then?
They'll go up into the headlight unit and they'll plug in through there. Billy did the same thing with the single one, so he knows how to do it.
All right, I'm to try that today. Gotta do
There we go.
windshield again. So
You look excited.
I mean, the price you pay. Yeah, it's the price you pay.
It's gonna look good. I think this is the next piece that you got. The charger.
You think so?
I mean, it's electrical.
He wrapped it up like a hood 3.5. Yes, this is what wasn't shown online. It's got the USB-C. I was like, I really don't want to install it if it just had this, because it's 2024. This has both, which also probably means I can charge two things at once.
So Smokey got all the electrical stuff. Jalen about to be working on electrical mods. He got the charger. He got the light bars.
I got all stuff that I really don't know what I'm doing, so I may have to resume my part of the video at some type of shop. I guess it's time for Mo to figure out what he got.
What's this thing?
I don't know, you gotta open it up. I like the packaging.
Yeah, it is really sick.
Reckless turn win.
I think this might just be some extra goodies.
What you mean?
I think it's the little Navi like circle covers. It has license stuff.
Oh snap. Oh snap.
Yeah, it has license stuff.
Oh snap. Oh, this is the Navi RGB side kit.
Oh, for the little like the circles on the side panel.
Oh yeah.
Like now they'll light up.
We didn't know it was coming.
No, I know. That's it. This is a cool gift from Reckless. Hey, shout out to the team over there.
Just to make it fair, best 2 out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors. No. I'm out of it. It's
Oh,
just
you don't
and Billy.
want it?
It's just you and Billy.
Oh, I'm taking them then.
It's just
Billy
you
got
and
the
Billy.
extra fender out of nowhere.
There you go.
Yep,
There you go.
I'm taking it.
It all works out. So Jalen walked away from the package with the double LED light bars, the USB charging mount kit, and the side what
This
the
is
LED side lights.
Yeah.
Logos.
This is the 3M panel.
Yeah, so you stick it
Oh,
on
I'm
there.
about to kill it. Oh my god, I'm about to kill it.
Yeah, that's fresh.
It's always
That's
the thing
fresh.
to surprise you to make you the most hype. I just unboxed some stuff that I knew was coming. I was like, oh, I've been waiting 2 months. But this, out of nowhere, it's got me smirking. Extra fender bracket. That's for you.
That's right, yeah. So I'm pulling out this extra fender bracket. It's just the bracket right there. I already have the fender from Reckless Customs. I hit a fat pothole and the bracket cracked. So he sent me another one to replace it. So thank you for that. Can't wait to get that back on. Been missing that for real.
To let you know about his customer service too.
I was one of the first people to order it, so I had the original like thinner one, but he reinforced it with the V2 one, so excited to get that one on for sure. That's all right. So the next thing I'll be pulling out is gonna be this right here. I think I know what this is.
Why? Because of the color? I mean, because of the shape.
Yeah, the foot pegs.
You think so?
Yeah, it's the bar for the.
Oh, that's
for the
gonna be
foot peg.
crazy. That's gonna be crazy. Okay, you getting some more sauce for your life.
There we go. So it's the drilled out foot peg bar, so you can put custom foot pegs on the end of it, so you can swap out the rubber ones that come with the Navi. So I'm super stoked on this.
That's dope. Let me see that.
I've been wanting that for a while.
That's nice.
And then I think these are the pegs for it. Yeah.
Okay, but then at the same time, you get any pegs, right?
So yeah, he sent these pegs with it. I think I'll probably either paint these black or get some black ones just to fit my colorway a little better. But that's pretty cool that, you know, I have the option to throw these on too. Hey, there's the third Scrooge. We got Billy. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Show Navi. A dirt Navi now? What the?
man. I was
Hey, with the S23, bro.
Bro, I finally got my steering back together.
Yeah, bro, this fool's
Bro,
forks were
thing.
off his bike, dude. It was loose.
Bro, what's the point of having a all-terrain vehicle?
You have
Bro took it off-roading, bro.
What's the point for the... No, honestly, I didn't even take that off-roading. I really just went through mud puddle in the hills. What show?
They're filming a episode of Boss Legacy. I don't know.
It looks like a pretty big filming though.
All right, come see your stuff.
All right, cool.
So Billy finally made it. We better crack into what he got here. So first thing, we're finally getting rid of that ugly ass license plate holder that he has on the back. We got him the S23 Tail Tidy kit.
Let's go, Billy.
Nice. S23, there we go. Tail tidy it up.
Which one you got?
The Kemi Moto.
Okay, me too.
You got the rear fender kit.
Oh yeah.
You about to be looking clean.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, this one's not carbon fiber.
Thank
Is yours carbon fiber?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to look like you at all.
You trying to beat me.
I made sure you didn't get the carbon fiber one. I told him personally, hey, make
sure it's not the carbon
make
fiber?
sure, so because we can't be having the same swag. That's gonna make me upset.
Alright. That's the bracket.
That's the bracket. That's the V2 bracket. The nice thick
Look
one.
how thick it is.
The one that's there,
And
yeah.
then what else we got?
You got the
Oh.
CVT cover, bro.
Oh, it's kind of polished at the bottom. Okay.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
That's nice,
And a
dude.
couple bolts.
Just grabbing some tools so the guys can start installing these parts.
Now flick it.
Hey, there it is.
Dope as hell, bro.
Getting straight adventure now.
That looks
I'm telling
good. So Billy's over here, got the OEM CVT cover off, got the new exposed clutch version. He's switching over the kickstart right now.
Oh, that shit is hard.
That
The
is
clutch is green.
tough, bro. So you decided to go without the kickstart.
Man, I can't figure out how to put it in.
All right. So temporarily no kickstart.
Temporarily no kickstart.
That looks good,
Wasn't that
though.
hard for you to take it? Oh, wait, did that spin the wheel?
Yeah.
Wow.
though.
If you spin that, it spins the wheel.
Well, it's the
That's
clutch.
It's the clutch.
Oh. Damn, okay. Oh, see? Now that just taught me something about the bike, how the bike works.
Look. Let's see what this.
Fire up. You should still run it out that. Oh, yeah, you don't need a kickstart. Oh, that clutch looks fire.
That looks good, bro.
Green on the bike now.
You stoked on it or what?
You gotta look at it.
Yeah, I like that.
Smokey over here working on his
Now this is where we gonna
charger.
have a problem at. Routing these wires through when we got them on there. You see what I mean? It changes everything when you put the wires on.
So we got it wired up underneath the gas holder
Bang.
through here.
USB bang.
Comes in there. You got USB, USB-C, ready to go.
Bang. And it, also look at this. This little gap.
It'll tell you if it's open or not, or if
Tell
it's
you
on or
your
not.
voltometer. Bill going insane today.
So where you putting this? Where you putting this switch, Smokey?
I'm leaving it right underneath the seat, bro.
It's gonna have this switch under the seat.
Oh, yeah.
Incognito?
Yeah, I was just about to say that. Incognito. Now, if I was more crafty like Bill. Show everybody Bill's switch. This is
Billy
dope.
has a light switch
He
right
actually
there.
cut one in there, and when you press it, you can see his light bar come on, and also his charger. So he got the same 2 mods I got. Maybe I'm copying him.
Alright,
Shit.
and then once I get this shit screwed in, you good to go. Your shit's.
Oh, it's good.
Alright, and you live.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah.
Hey, got the charger up.
Oh yeah. Hold up, now hold
Damn,
up.
yours got a USB-C.
Yeah,
too.
that's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, dude.
Now let me show.
USB-C.
Let's test it out.
That closes good.
Is it on?
Yeah, they're super easy.
Bang.
Hey, there it is, charging, bro.
Yeah,
You're set.
that's GOAT talk.
So we just got done doing all the installs on Billy's and Jalen's bikes. Let's go through and see what they did. Jalen got the double LED light bar set up. A little bit extra high beam. Yeah, go ahead, turn that on for us. Let's see how that looks. Boom, integrated with the OEM high beam switch. And then we come around here and we got the new charger. USB, USB-C. Looking good. And we're gonna come over here. We got Billy's bike.
Fender delete.
Turn around. We got the Tail Tidy S23. We got the new Fender. And last but not least, of course, we got that Open CVT cover. Looking good. The boys put in work today.
No,
So you guys didn't see me installing my parts today because my bike's still getting wrapped at the shop. So we'll have to do that another day. But thanks for tuning in and we'll see you guys next time. You. That thing is sick, bro. Later, Billy. It's a sick truck.
Oh shit! All right, bro.
Later, bro. Good stuff today.